What time is it? Too early. Where are we going?
Fix the pipe on our building again.
I think that's it. That's home for the next like hour and a half.
We'll start with that much. Pardon me out. It's like right there, dude.
Fun.
Huh.
Grab me one of those rags.
That's a lot of water. This is funny. Happy Sunday.
Let's see if we can get enough spread on this. We've got one. We're gonna cut it there. We've got two. Got it right there.
Let me have the...
That's it.
Okay, so now I'm gonna wait down here, Con. Go and the people you asked to open the taps,
Yeah,
have them close them.
you got it. No leaks.
Any leaks?
No.
Hallelujah! It's still holding.
Yeah.
Water's on. Look at that. One little pinhole. Wrecks your Sunday. You asked why it happened? You see all that scale and buildup in there?
Mm-hmm.
So water, when it has movement, it creates turbulence. And you know how water created the Grand Canyon? Basically, that turbulence over the years, it just eats away at the pipe. and just pokes through whatever's in its way. That's why we always want to deburr our pipes and condition our water. Over and out. We're out of here. Con, good job. Yee.